We have now established our data protection regulation. We have now the situation in the US that they have worked on the Judicial Redress Act. Data, what the prosecutors are collecting for bringing cases to the court. Some of these, in addition, what the police has.
Axel Voss, the EPP Group's spokesman on data protection issues, comments on the approval of the agreement between the EU and the US on sharing data between the two continents in the area of law enforcement. The relevant report was voted today in the European Parliament. Axel Voss says that after nearly 6 years of negotiations, we are approaching a very close end.
Now we are coming together in a situation where the principles are clear, where we have the possibility for the EU citizens that they can also go to court there in the US, and therefore then it's necessary to have this frame for transferring data.
The transatlantic deal, which covers all personal data exchanged between police and criminal justice authorities of the EU member states and US federal authorities, arrives at a very crucial moment as it will complement the existing security programmes for European citizens now that terrorist threats are at their highest levels in Europe.
We are trying to come forward in a better cooperation on all this crime level, that we can cooperate better and then can we detect better, and trying also to prevent crime cases.
This agreement will raise the bar of data protection when transferring personal data such as names, addresses and criminal records between the EU and the US. And now EU citizens will have the same rights as US citizens when they seek judicial redress before US courts. After today's vote in the European Parliament, the next step will take place in a few weeks when the EU Ministers of Justice and Home Affairs will decide if they will give their final stamp of approval.